Good morning everyone, my name's Pete Tomlin. I'm Senior Data Management and Monitoring Officer at Sheffield and Rotherham Wildlife Trust. So I've come out this morning to do my back garden bio blitz, and I'm going to be looking at what birds you can see and hear around. So let's have a look and a listen and see what we've got here in the garden. I'm quite lucky, I've got this field out the back of my garden, but most of the birds that I'm going to hear or see you're going to be able to find in an urban setting as well. So what have we got? So over here we've got a couple of wood pigeons feeding away. Oh, there's a collared dove that's just flown over the fence as well. I can hear some jackdaws, that's that metallic chacking, and there's one just feeding on the field as well. Oh, the collared dove's just flown to the top of the houses. It's on the chimney there, just flown off. That kind of cooing sound you can hear, that's the collared dove. It sounds very similar to the wood pigeon. But the wood pigeon's got 5 parts to its song, whereas the collared dove's got 3. And there's a couple of wood pigeons just flying over the field. There's a blackbird I can hear singing. So this will be very difficult for you to see, I think, but actually just flying above the house here, I've got a few swifts, which is really nice to see. They came back a couple of weeks ago. Also had some starlings flying over. You can hear a robin. So one of the best things you can do to encourage birds into your garden is to put a bit of food up. So I need to refill mine this morning. So I've just got some basic kind of seed mix full of sunflower seeds, things like that. A little bit of that in. And then for the goldfinches, I've got some Niger seed, which they really like. And I'll put some mealworms out as well, a bit of protein. And then particularly at this time where it's really hot, a little bit of water for them to drink and possibly have a splash around in as well is really important. So let's get that back up, and hopefully that will attract a few more birds to my garden. Great. So I've literally just come in from filling up that bird feeder. There's already a jackdaw there, helping himself to some of the mealworms and seeds, which is really nice to see. Jackdaws are one of my favourite birds actually. I think they're underappreciated. And there he goes. So once you've done your bio blitz, don't forget to go to our website. It's wildsheffield.com/sightings, and you can input all your data there and it gets sent off to the MBN Atlas, where it can be used by conservationists and scientists throughout the country.